All right, hello, my wonderful students. This is our last part of Foldable number 1 for section 6.2, simplifying radical expressions. All right, so this one here we have the cube root of 216 times x to the 4th power y cubed. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to simplify this here by breaking it down. So two numbers that multiply I know are going to be 108 and 2. Then 108 can also be divided by 2, so it's going to be 2 and 54. 54 is going to go into 9 and 6. They're going to have 3 and 3 and 3 and 2. So I'm going to go ahead and just underline the ones that are the primes that we have. That's actually kind of good for us because we actually got a good amount of primes on this one, and they're actually paired up really nicely. So we have 1, 2, 3, 3, so it's going to be 3 cubed. And we have 1, 2, 3 2's as well, so it's going to be times, 2 cubed as well. 2 cubed. Alright, now we got to just break down our x to the 4th power. We have, do it in blue. X to the 4th power can be broken down as x cubed times x, which is what we need here. So we're going to go ahead and write in our, we're going to write in our x cubed. And then our times our x. And y cubed can be just left as y cubed because since it is cubed, it's just going to be able to come out. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and rewrite this, excuse me, and separate the ones that can be taken out and the ones that cannot be. So this is also going to equal over here. So we have the cube root, we have 3 cubed times 2 cubed times x cubed times y cubed, and then times our cube root of x, the one that's left over. So once again, 3 cubed, 2 cubed, x cubed, and then y cubed, and then the x that's left over. So once again, this is going to come out. This is going to be the cube root of 3 is 3. The cube root of 2 is 2, or 2 cubed. The cube root of x cubed is x, and the cube root of x, or y cubed, is y. And the cube root of x is just the cube root of x. So 3 times 2 is 6. X times y is xy. And then we have our cube root of x. This is going to be our simplified form. Next one over here, we have the 4th root of 625. Luckily for us, we did a cheat sheet. I think it was the 6-1. For the 4th roots, and if we go back to that, this is gonna, we know this is well, we can just say this is 25 times 25, and then this is 5 times 5 and 5 times 5. But if you had your cheat sheet, you would know that this is 625 is actually 5 to the 4th power, which is basically what this is states here, which is good for us because we need 4th roots here because this is a 4th root. So this is going to be 5 to the 4th power. Then we have our u to the 5th power. So u to the 5th power can be broken down as u to the 4th power times u. So we'll go ahead and add our times u to the 4th power times our u that's left over. Then we have, see that one in red, we have v to the 8th power, and v to the 8th power can be broken down as v to the 4th times v to the 4th. So we're going to go ahead and write that down as well. And we have times v to the 4th times v to the 4th. So we're going to go and rewrite that over here in blue. So this is going to be, remember, we're going to rewrite to the 4th here. That's really important, the 4th index. So the 4th root of 5 to the 4th, u to the 4th. Oh, I shouldn't have went that far. Just realize that right now. V to the 4th times v to the 4th. And this is not going to be here. Sorry about that. Times the 4th root of the last u that's left over. Okay. So now the 4th root of, now we can simplify. So the fourth root of 5 to the fourth power is going to be 5. The fourth root of u to the fourth power is going to be u. The fourth root of v to the fourth power is going to be v. And the fourth root of v to the fourth power is going to be v again. And then we're just going to have our leftover fourth root of u. So combining like terms here, we have 5uv squared times the fourth root of u.